Hello everyone, what is up? 589 here, welcome back to the video. This is going to... What?
Yep.
This is going to be my Phantom Knight and my Ice Barrier deck list.
My bad.
Oh, Nick, I'm recording.
That's the point.
You're recording. The recording literally heard you say that. Or at least I hope they did. So for the Phantom Knight deck list, we have 2 copies of the Phantom Knight of Cursed Javelin, uploading another deck list.
One thing. Askers. No.
Well, then why'd you come in my room? 2 copies of the Phantom Knights of Rusty Bardiche. 2 copies of the Phantom Knight of Break Sword. And just a couple XYZ monsters to boost up the deck, because his deck is ran around XYZ monsters pretty much. So, number 49, Fourtune, levair the Sea Dragon. Number 73, Abyss Splash. Ice Princess Zereort. Arc Rebellion XYZ Dragon. Dark Requiem XYZ Dragon. Another Dark Requiem XYZ Dragon. 2 Dark Rebellion XYZ Dragons. They just look different because they're the same card but different card look. The Phantom Knights of Lost Vambrace. 2 copies of Phantom Knights Rank Up Magic Force. Phantom Knights Wing. And 2 more copies of Phantom Knights Wing. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights of Rag Gloves. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights Rank Up Magic. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights of Shadow Veil. 3 copies of Phantom Knight Sword. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights of Fragile Armor. 1 copy of Phantom Knight's Spear. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights of Wrong Magnetring. 3 copies of the Phantom Knights of Dark Gauntlets. Phantom Knights of Cloven Helm. 3 of them. 1 copy of the Phantom Knight of Stained Greaves. We have 3 copies of the Phantom Knight of Ancient Cloak. 3 copies of the Phantom Knight of Silent Boots. And finally 3 copies of the Phantom Knight of Mistclaws. So pretty well much how Phantom Knight's trap works is the traps boost up the monsters, but once the traps are in the graveyard, you can actually summon them as monsters, and then you can overlay them, obviously, to summon in XYZ monsters. So it's actually very good. Boosts up the actual monsters itself, and then you can also overlay with them. Next, we're going to be moving on to the Ice Barrier deck. May have my helper help me. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. You never know. I doubt he will, because he was supposed to be in it since the beginning, and he just has not been in it. So, I mean, I doubt it. He's usually just playing games, so don't really get him to help me. He's just usually on a game, so kind of just me. For this deck, we have Gungar, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, Trishula Zero, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, Brionic, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, 2 more Gungar, Dragon of the Ice Barriers, 2 more Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barriers, 2 more Trishula Zero, Dragon of the Ice Barriers, 2 more Brionic, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, 3 copies of Dwellora, True King, Tiger King of the Ice Barrier, Cyromancer of the Ice Barrier, Revealer of the Ice Barrier, Blizzard, Defender of the Ice Barrier, just plain Defender of the Ice Barrier, Strategist of the Ice Barrier, Cyromancer of the Ice Barrier, Hexaspirit of the Ice Barrier, Defender of the Ice Barrier, Hexaspirit of the Ice Barrier, 3 copies of Medallion of the Ice Barrier, General Gatala of the Ice Barrier, Shock Troops of the Ice Barrier, General Crunard of the Ice Barrier, Freezing Chains in the Ice Barrier, Spellbreaker of the Ice Barrier, Blizzard Defender of the Ice Barrier, Magic Triangle of the Ice Barrier, Freezing Chains of the Ice Barrier, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Magic Triangle of the Ice Barrier, Winds over the Ice Barrier, Zujin of the Ice Barrier, General Rayo of the Ice Barrier, Medium of the Ice Barrier, Speaker for the Ice Barrier, Prayer of the Ice Barrier, Dance Princess of the Ice Barrier, General Wayne of the Ice Barrier, Prior of the Ice Barrier, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Zujin of the Ice Barrier, which I think we already have. Yep, right there. Strategist of the Ice Barrier. General Wayne of the Ice Barrier. Dai Sojo of the Ice Barrier. Revealer of the Ice Barrier. Defender of the Ice Barrier. And finally, a Speaker for the Ice Barrier. There you go. Alright guys, and that is going to be it for the deck list for my Phantom Knights and my Ice Barrier. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded today, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.